Yeah. Anyway, but that was just really what I wanted to go over with you, innit?
Yeah.
You know, like I said, I think this one here is gonna be a good one, definitely. Even still, I know it's not good to take to take trades in the channel and that, but if it does come back here and then wants to come down, I don't know if I would sell that. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's in the channel.
Mm.
So, in the channel, as you know, there's bare level channel. So I'll just wait for it to, pay off. Give me the bigger picture, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah. But that's all I really wanted to show you, innit?
Mm-hmm. I've tried to reach out for David, and it's like he's still asleep. He's telling me, oh, it's 6 a.m.
David's so sleepy, yeah?
Yeah, he say that.
Ah, man.
But I called him, and he told me that it's
Welcome everybody. Welcome to the session, guys.
all right. So I don't know.
Wow.
Oh, this was
A euro,
Euro
yeah, I didn't
AUD.
even give no retest. That's
Yeah,
what.
it just gave me an
Wow.
impulse. Remember this.
I just flew up, man.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone in this meeting.
Hello, hello. Welcome to the session.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Man, Euro AUD, man. Euro AUD was. Let me just take you guys through what I saw on this Euro AUD, man. It was so. And I just missed this out. But the price will still give us an opportunity to make our entry position. So, things. Oh, this was a good trade. This was a good trade. Remember, now, from the bigger perspective, we can see that we were
Mm-hmm.
having a bullish flag. This is just a bullish flag. I believe all of you know that because you're forex trader. So we had a higher.
Mm-hmm.
This was a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and our price kind of gave us the third touch, and I believe maybe that was the fourth touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the fourth touch now, when I tried to zoom out this fourth, I just realized that, oh, price also gave me another confirmation, another bullish flag. So I said, yo, this is looking nice from the daily perspective. So now when I went to the 4 hour, I needed to understand more what this price wanted to do. So I needed to make my entry, yo. And yo, when I came to the 4 hour ISO, we had another touch, first touch, second touch. Now, if you try to see, basically this was on a Friday, but on Thursday, let me just take you back. On Thursday, this is what the price was doing right here. So I've been looking out for this pair. So this is how the market was looking like. So on Thursday, when I saw this market, I saw, okay, price has the potential to give me another reversal structure right here. So as I was expecting this type of a right shoulder, then now price maybe go up. That was
And sugar.
inverse head and shoulder. So now at the H1, price was not giving me clear direction to go up. So let me just show you this. Now, when I came back to H1, I saw, okay, price has already done this. But then, in respect to, now, if you look at the left right here and right here, I saw no way price ready, because now price took some time on the left before. Now, I anticipated that price needed to play out around this zone before it breaks. So that was my anticipation. And this is what Thursday did. Price did that in respect to this exactly, and then it broke. So when it broke, I said, okay, fine, price has given us that good break. Basically, my initial strategy, I was supposed to make an entry right here, but I missed that because that happened overnight. So I just needed a correction. Now, if you kind of see that this is just an impulse, so I needed market to give me type of another bullish fly, or just the same patterns. And let's see, price just respected that. Price played out. So This was Friday, and at the same time Friday we had NFP. And remember, I was kind of busy, so my VIP, I gave them this. I told them, yo, if price takes out this high, then now we should take a buy entry, yo. And it kind of took it, and I was not there, man. I never saw this. So you see, price just went, and it's annoying. I missed that entry. So what I'm saying is that price might also give us another chance. At the same time, let me just show you something. I still believe price needs to give us another. Remember, let me just admit somebody. Remember, we've only had first touch right here, second touch. So if you kind of see that I have this in place, remember, first touch, second touch. So initially I was saying, okay, this price might go all the way up, which is okay. But now when I catered for this zone right here, I understood that, oh, we have some mad people, if I can say that are going to say, oh, this is a double top. Of course, we need to respect them, you know, because they'll say, okay, this is a double top. Yes, this is a double top, and now they'll reverse this price. And yes, if they do reverse this price to this level, this is when we now execute our entry all the way to this level right here in respect to this trend line. I hope you guys can see we have first, second, now the third touch is where we execute. Right now, I'm not going to make any entry position on Euro AU because some of price is almost touching this 90% rule level. So what we'll need to do basically from next week is just wait for this touch right here, and that is when we just have to execute our swing position. It's going to be around 400 pips, which is not bad. So your patience will be needed, guys. I hope you guys now see what I'm trying to see on this pair on Euro AUD. Is bullish, and basically, let me just say, let me see something here. Basically, we should be targeting right here, this level right here, but no, we should not be greedy. That's like 630 p, but we should not be greedy. Let's just target this level. Now, the reason why I'm talking about that level, remember, we still have this zone right here. We still have this zone right here. So if you kind of see that level, price kind of has respected this level for a while. So it might be this. Let me just draw this. Price might just go all the way up. Of course, go like this, like we anticipate. Now, this pullback that we are expecting, remember, if you guys are seeing this clearly, this is another left shoulder right here. Now, this is the head. Now, price is going up. Now, if we wait for this bounce or retest, this is going to be the right shoulder. Then this is now when we are going to break this level. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. This is what I'm seeing, the bigger picture. Okay. Now, if let me just do this. It's going to make sense. It's going to make sense. Now, if you kind of see that, oh, we're waiting for that fourth touch, the third touch from the H4, and now it correlates with our trend line somehow around this. Let me delete this here. You see where we are expecting that touch. You see, we have this support level right here, and this is where we expect the market to drop. Now, remember, let me just remove these two. We need to understand the market, yo. We need to understand the market. There's this trend right here. If I try to clone, something like this, you see, it makes sense. You see, it makes sense. So right now, I'll just remove some of the drawings. I'll just remove this, and I believe now you guys can see we have an impulse right here. Give us a touch correction. Now we are expecting this type of a play. The market probably, they might just maybe break this and it becomes a false break. Then now we anticipate this drop, and this is where we attack all the way up. Any question, gang? No question. Okay, so now let's start with the analysis. Let me just have this.
No.
Okay, let me just add this. Okay, let's just now start with our analysis. So, suggestion, anybody has a suggestion? Which pair should we try to analyze?
Can I suggest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Euro USD.
Euro USD. Where are you? Euro right. Okay. Okay, now let's from the weekly. Let's just start the analysis from that weekly. All right. So let's just look for levels that this price is kind of respecting for a while. So right here we have, of course, this as our demand zone. Let me just do this. That's our demand zone, and as usual, this is our supply zone. So now our analysis should be based around this level, and we can see that, oh, the price is moving somehow sideways. That is what we can see. That is it. So but if we try to analyze this pair, probably we'll understand that, oh, there was no sideways movement. Price is still giving us structures inside this consolidation pattern. So we have this level also that we need to cater. Now if you try to understand this market, we also had somehow an uptrend right here. So if we have that type of an uptrend, then now let's hit the daily and understand this market more. Okay, so right here we see this the case. We zoom in and try to maybe adjust our trends. Make sure you don't miss anything, guys. That is key. If you miss that, the market will really punish you right there. Please mute your microphone. Yo, I don't know it's done. So we have a level right here that also should prove to be sensitive. Now, for us to understand where this price needs to go, whether it needs to go down or maybe go up, we need to understand the type of approach that this market is giving us around this level, right? So we need to understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance. So let's continue. Now, when we hit the H4, we have this type of a play. We understand that this market is giving us, of course, an impulse correction, and some type of impulse right there. So that's the case. Of course, if we cater for our trends once again, 1 2 3, just like this. Okay, so now Euro USD, I don't know, it's not giving me clear structure. I don't like what I'm seeing, but let's just continue doing our thing. This is what we have from the H4. So let's hit the H1. We need to now try to see if we can get at least any pattern. Any pattern will be okay. As for now, Euro USD, of course, we've seen is around a support zone, and we don't know where it wants to go. And at the same time, I'm not seeing any pattern that this market is trying to give. Okay, let's just understand this. Right here, there was also this level that this market or price kind of respected. So we might do this. All right, I'm seeing something. Let's go to the 15. You know, I don't want to go against the trend, even though I'm seeing this. I don't want to go against the trend. So if we cater for this, this is the last high of this downtrend. That's the last high. Of course, I'm talking about the last lowest high. So for a good buy entry, I'm talking about scalping. For a good buy entry, probably, of course, we see that this price is doing this, and now if it gives you a reversal and takes out this high, then now you should target right here, because remember, taking a buy right now is risky because we are in a downtrend. Even though this is for scalping, day trader is not a bad thing, 50 pips though, but that is what I'm currently seeing. That is, if it respect this level right here without taking this level, then now it's going to be a good one. Now I'll repeat, only take a buy position if it takes this high right here, not at the 15 but at the 1 hour. And if you don't get that, if you start seeing wicks, do not take any entry. Reversal right here, something like this, price takes out that high, then now execute only after seeing a reversal structure. Yo, any question?
I have one question here.
Yeah.
If it takes out this high, should we wait for a bullish flag?
Yeah, of course, I have it right here. But at the same time, it needs to only take it with a reversal structure, not just taking this high, because price might just maybe open tomorrow or this today. Basically, this is Sunday. Price might just open like this with a bullish flag like this, and I don't think that might be a sign that it wants to go up, because price might just be giving us something like this. Oh, does this probably to give us a new high, then goes down in respect to this level right here. There's also this level, if you kind of see this zone. So the market is the market. You only take entries if you've seen a confirmation, not just one confirmation, so many confirmation, whether it's a inverse head and shoulder, double top or double bottom. Those are the things that you should be looking out for, adding to your conference before making a decision. And kind of look at the left, we had something like this, we have something like this. So it's going to make sense, because at the same time we anticipate that price will try to go back to retest this trend line of ours. So it's not bad though. Yeah, and at the same time might be another reversal right here, of course, but at the lower time frame we need another reversal structure. So I believe everything is now answered. Any other pair that we should try to analyze? Any suggestion?
But nobody don't want no analysis.
All right. Then we'll just analyze any other pair. We just analyze a random pair.
Just random.
Yeah. NASA 100. Oh man, I missed this too. This is crazy. But there's no problem though. That's Nasdaq. Let me see US 30.
Yeah, that looks nice, man.
US 30 not nice, not looking good. Oil. Yo, I had a position on oil too. Let's try. Whoa, yo, I missed this. Look at this. Oh man, let me see.
You played out, man. What?
This
On
was
oil.
my. Come
Wow.
on, look at that.
Wow.
This was amazing. 31 pips and I hit 238 pips.
Oh, that would have paid massive,
Yeah, this was amazing, yo. And
That oil really expensive. Yeah.
this is the analysis I saw. Right, price somehow gave me a reversal. This is a head and shoulder. If you can see, this is a head and shoulder. Left head, right shoulder, and of course, how we do it. We hide the left shoulder and understand. So basically price did this, and of course we missed that first entry. Now I was expecting the second entry, the third entry. That is where we should execute. And yes sir, that is amazing, yo.
Yes.
So
wow,
I'm not going to analyze oil because I don't want to make any entry right now. I like to make entries before price. Now price already right here, so we just need price to go back all the way. So that will be a pass. Let me see if our CHF is not looking great though. It's still consolidating, and let's see. It's not a good trade. Let me see another one. CHF JPY. Let's start from the weekly. It's not looking good. NZD USD. Let me see. I don't like this, but let's try to understand this pair. Probably if we track our trend from this. Okay. Alright, so if we had that type of play, let's continue. There's this level right here, and of course we had a level right here. Okay, to our understanding, we should know that this price going down. Remember, we've talked about euro.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. So now, if we look at this joint, we see, oh, we have an impulse correction, and of course, this gave us the third touch based on the daily time frame. Impulse correction. Now we expect that type of a play. So let's bring another trend. 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay, so let's go to the H4. All right. Yo, I believe I was happy about this NZD. I believe so. 1, 2. Let's just hit this. You guys should mute your mic, please. Yeah, I see it right there. So we have 1, 2 double top. So now what I'm supposed to do basically is now wait for a retest now that price has broken with an impulse thing. So right now on NZD USD we should expect this type of a play, price to continue going up with a retest. Now if we give us any reversal structure, we get in. So this is what we should see on NZD USD. And this is when we execute as usual, because now price has already given us the third touch and broke with an impulse. I don't know if NFP contributed to that, but we'll just see. We'll just come Monday. But this is the type of we should expect. And if we don't see that, then we don't do anything. We don't do anything. So I'll need something like this, maybe a reversal. We go and target all the way down. But before we make a decision, let me just see something. We might be in a trap, Market might manipulate us, So let me have this. Okay, we still have a chance. Though. Yeah, first touch, second touch, we still have a chance because the market will do this as usual. Before now, maybe hitting this level. So no need to be greedy and target this level. We just need to respect the trend. And we should have these two. GBP JPY and Aussie JPY, there was a kind of a manipulation that I almost fell into that, and that was let me just show that. If only I forgot to add that trend line, it could have taken me out crazy. Yeah, this is it. So right now we see price is doing its thing, so I'll just need to evolve. We need to evolve. Nice one. So let me take you back from the daily to show you the reason why I should be looking for sell position on anything that has a JPY thing. So you've seen that reversal, of course. You guys can see this. Yeah. And now there's also there's this level too. That's why price kind of respecting, but at the same time, remember, it's still in an uptrend. It was also crazy. Let me just remove everything fast. is tricky because we are in an uptrend. And what if, let's just try to understand, if we had a bullish flag. Let me try to see if we can get any continuation pattern. Of course, yeah. Probably this is an impulse down correction. Yeah, so that's just another continuation pattern. So it's not a good thing to know to go against the trend, even though price is looking good for sales. I don't know, probably should we take a sell on this joint? Let's try to see. We have that level. And this. So basically we've seen price has taken that uptrend and now somehow is giving us a downtrend, but that downtrend might be a bullish flag. So that's the case. And now of course we have a level right here. And okay, somehow price is receiving this line. We should not be, I'm saying that this might be probably a bullish flag, and price, you know, do its thing. So I'll avoid this until I see clear structure. Let me see something on Eurocad. Eurocad, not nice. Everything not looking nice. Price was already gone. I like to take my entries before this fall right here. So that's a pass. Price gone. This is Euro CHF. Okay. Let's see if this will be making sense. Of course, we are going against the trend, but that is what the market is telling us. Let's see. You know, we just made the analysis from the day, from the 4 hour. Okay, let's see. If this case, I believe you guys can see that inverse head and shoulder, and of course we have right here 1 2 3 and a level, of course, right here. So let's see. Good. So now on Euro CHF, I'm expecting a continuation pattern, a bullish flag. That is what maybe price is trying to do right now, because it took this high. So on this, I'm expecting price to continue dropping, and maybe right here, this is when we should be executing. Let price do his thing. Yeah, then now we target. Yeah, so on Euro CHF, I'm waiting for that, and if it doesn't happen as anticipated, then I'm going to avoid that market. So I'll have that, add it to my watch list, of course. Let me see Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Okay, Euro NZD is in an uptrend, which is okay. We have that trend, of course, but at the same time, this might be a continuation pattern, a bullish flag. Yes, let's do this. Something like this. So I'm expecting price to continue doing this thing. Okay, we had this level, And yes, we've seen price somehow is respecting that level. So let's go to the H4 and see if we can identify any other pattern. Of course, we had this bullish flag right here, right there. Okay, so our first TP should be this level. That is if we get a confirmation. So this is an impulse correction. Of course, we've had an impulse, so we should expect price to go back or to give us a correction before we make our buy entry position. So it's amazing thing. Let's go. So this is the H1. So you see Euro NZD and I don't know, that was Eurocad, some of the same. So if we kind of see this is an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, so we expect a correction, we go up. Now let's try to see if we can get trends. You know, anything goes. If we had that, we also have. So we just need to wait for price to maybe reverse, pull back, continue pulling back, and if it does this, maybe give us a reversal. That is when we execute Euro NZD. It's a good one. Something like that. And maybe target that level. So on Euro NZD, I should also have this to my watch list right there, which is okay. So I'll just analyze, maybe try to see if I can get the last pair here, because we have so many in our watch list, and as usual, if we have so many, we might miss some. We need to have less. GBP Aussie, okay, we had a bullish flag basically, and it broke. Thank you. And you know, I was expecting that price might maybe go back right here to give me an inverse head and shoulder, but you know, this is what price is giving me. Probably I don't know if this might be a fake out break, and maybe price continues dropping and now plays around this level. That is when we get this full inverse head and shoulder. You know, so I'm not going to fall for that break, but I just need to wait for, you know, price behavior maybe to go back. This is the best price zone that you should be taking your entry. I call it best price, you know, right here. So we should see another pullback on a GBP Aussie, you know, something like this, and probably price plays around this level in respect to this level, because there's no way I'm going to believe that price just broke this level at once. And if you see on the left, it took some time before it took out the zone. So I still believe price is going to play around our left zone. Let me just show you this. Maybe from this to this, something like this, and maybe we do this. So I'm expecting this type of thing, you know. Okay, something like this before price doing his thing, and probably it might be giving us a new trend. Who knows? The market is the market, yo. This is the thing, yeah, and I think it's making sense for me. It's making sense. So in fact, our take profit should be this level. Yes, it's making sense. So I'm expecting that type of a play. We expect an impulse, a correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, until we get to this level. Now what I'm trying to understand is that price is probably giving me a reversal structure right here, like this, a double top, for it now to go back to give us this touch right here, second touch, maybe before we go up, then maybe comes back, play. Now if you're trying to understand that it is just the same zone that price will be playing around as anticipated, guys. So I believe that's all, man. And anybody has any question before we call it a day?
Nah.
Okay. So guys, I
Anyone
believe
else? No questions?
Mhm.
Silent,
I
bro.
don't have any question.
Okay, so those are great pairs that we should be waiting for, but it might take time. So even though we get something right here, we might scalp this drop, you know, instead of waiting for price to drop all the way down. We might just scalp this drop, guys. All right, I'm going to post this on YouTube, so you might use this as a reference. And if you see price doing how the pattern that we've just explained, then you might make your decision based on that. So guys, man, adios.